Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how what we believe to be true is reflected in our reality. We're constantly manifesting every single day. We've been manifesting since the time we were born. We will manifest until the time we die, and possibly after that, who knows. But what I do know is that we can't control it. But this is actually wonderful news, because it means that we have all been given the same opportunity to live a wonderful, fulfilling, and happy life. We can all live out our dreams, but unfortunately, most people don't. The people that you see out there that are living their dreams, the ones that are millionaires, billionaires, the ones that live in their dream house, the ones that own their dream car, that are surrounded by amazing friends and family, the ones that have started their own company, they are no different to you. They are just people. The only thing separating those people from you and where you're currently at right now is the belief that they are that person. These people only got to where they are today because, firstly, they imagined it to be true, and secondly, they firmly believed it to be true in times of self-doubt, negative thoughts. They never let go of that belief that they could have what it was that they desired. You see, if you believe a certain thing to be true, then you are affirming that in your 3D reality. So, for example, if you walk around thinking that nobody likes you, then you're only going to encounter people that either A, don't give you the time of day, or B, are not very nice to you. If you believe that you are always being bullied, then you're only going to attract more bullies. If you believe that things just don't work out for you, then you're right. Things are not going to work out for you. If you believe that you're always poor, then you're only going to attract more lack. You're just always going to be poor. So what can you do? How do you go from living a life of lack to living a life of abundance? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to start changing the way that you think, and more importantly, the way that you feel. Start practicing gratitude. Make a list of all the things in your life that you are grateful for. Write a few down on a piece of paper. Trust me, once you start, you will find that there are more and more things in your life to be grateful for. For example, you could be grateful just to be here each day. You could be grateful that you have running water, a roof over your head. You have $1 in your wallet. You have family or friends that care about you. You can be grateful just to be breathing in clean air. Practicing gratitude and giving thanks will automatically make you feel so much happier in times where your life may not be going so great. You will start feeling much more optimistic about the future. The second thing that you need to do is you need to change the narrative. Instead of saying that you are always broke, start affirming to yourself, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. If you want to manifest more friendships, start affirming to yourself that you are so grateful to be a part of such a big, amazing friendship group. If you're feeling depressed, start affirming to yourself each morning that you feel wonderful and are so excited about what the day is going to bring. It's all about changing the narrative. By affirming positive thoughts, you are only going to attract positive feelings, which will automatically make you feel good. If you start to practice this daily, you will notice a massive shift in your reality. Life is just going to start getting better and better for you. You will start feeling much happier, and you will start thinking that perhaps you actually can have the life that you desire. If you feel that you have mastered the feeling of feeling good, but you are still allowing fear to stop you from going after what it is that you really want in life, start affirming to yourself, I got this. I got this. Write it on a piece of paper. Have it somewhere you can see it every single day. Every day you're about to leave the house, say to yourself, I got this. And you know what you do? You got this. I have applied these techniques to my life in the last 12 months, and the results have been astounding. My life is completely different to what it was 12 months ago, and in the best possible way. I have manifested money, relationships, a dream home, acne-free skin, confidence, a new career. The list goes on. So I am proof that this technique definitely works. So if you really want to start living the life of your dreams and manifesting your desires, you need to alter your belief system and you need to change the narrative. So that's it from me today, guys. I hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to see more videos from me, then please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell to be notified of any future uploads. Give this video a like, leave a comment below if you wish, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.